Have you ever tried noodles plus momos together? This is NoMo, and trust me, this is dangerously addictive. Hi everyone, today I am making NoMo noodles plus momo in one pan. Cheesy, spicy, and full street style vibes. So let's begin. In a pan, add some butter and let it melt beautifully. Now add finely chopped garlic, let it saute until fragrant. Then that garlicky aroma already smells amazing. I am having a sore throat, that's why I'm sounding like this. So next we will add chopped onions, chopped carrots, and a little spring onion if you have it. You can add any vegetable of your choice, capsicum, cabbage, whatever you like. Saute everything nicely until slightly soft but still crunchy. Now comes the interesting part, gochujang paste. I am using this for the very first time and honestly the smell is very strong, like fermented strong. I personally could not handle the aroma much. I thought it would be very spicy, but surprisingly it's not too spicy. I added 2 spoons here, but I highly recommend you use only half a spoon first and then adjust according to your taste. Mix the veggies with the gochujang and saute it for a minute. Now add water and bring it to a boil. Add any noodle of your choice. I am using Wai Wai. I really like Wai Wai because you can eat it in 3 ways: munch it, soup it, or lunch it. Sometimes I eat it raw, sometimes I like normal Maggi style noodle. It comes with 3 things: masala, taste enhancer, and onion flavored oil. That's honestly impressive. Add all the seasoning packets and let it cook nicely. Now I'm adding half cooked momos directly into the noodle. I added 4 momos. Cover the pan so the momos steam properly. The bottom part touches the water and gets boiled while the top cooks with steam, so it becomes perfectly soft and juicy. And to make it extra indulgent, I'm adding 1 cheese slice. You can add any cheese slice or any cheese, but I like this one. So let it melt and mix everything together. And then look at that creamy, spicy noodle momo combo. Garnish with fresh spring onion, and your momo is ready. If you want tips, substitute, or a version without gochujang, tell me in the comments and I will share. Cheesy, spicy, slightly tangy, and full comfort food vibe. Try this and let me know.